Monkey, the rain's getting heavier.
Don't worry, bro. Plastic is waterproof, right?
You wrapped it like a submarine! Better safe than soggy.
That was a lake, not a puddle! Hey! Free car wash!
Monkey, the road's gone. No problem. We're the Amphibian Express. Why couldn't...
Focus! The package is worth more than your bike!
Then maybe it should drive itself.
Practicing for a superhuman delivery movie.
Careful, you'll ruin a toe!
Nice, it's 3 massage!
We made it! And so did the flood!
Moment of truth. Please don't explode.
It works! See? Told you, monkey-proof packaging!